Here's everything you need to know about growing tomatoes. First things first, when you start with your small tomato plant, whether it be from a seed or you buy it from the store, you want to plant it deep into the soil. The cool thing about tomato plants is that along the stem, it can actually grow more roots. So as you plant it deeper into the soil and as it grows bigger and bigger, add more soil and that way it can grow more roots. More roots means stronger foundation for you to have a healthier plant. The next thing you need to know about tomato plants is that they are really heavy feeders. So you need to give it a lot of soil and you need to make sure you are fertilizing it at least once every 3 weeks. I use Dr. Earth Organic fertilizer. They're fantastic. They don't cause you any type of burn, so you can use as much as you want, and they are fantastic. So you got to remember to fertilize them, all right? As your tomato plants grow, they're gonna produce something called suckers. Some people will recommend you to pluck off the suckers. I just leave it alone. I don't like to cause it any unnecessary stress. Don't overthink it. Just let it grow. Fertilize it, water it, and it'll continue to grow, right? So just don't worry about the suckers. The next thing I want to talk about is how to get your tomato plants to produce fruits. Now, the great thing about their flowers is that they are self-pollinating, either by wind or by bees. But something that I do personally is I just go to the flowers and I just give it a little tap, 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 over here, tap, 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 tap. I believe this method works really, really well because you can look at my tomato plant right here. Everywhere you see, there are tomatoes all over the place. So, just give it a little bit of help. Don't rely on wind too much and just, give it a little love tap. Look at this thing, guys. Tomatoes everywhere. Now, if you notice along the border of my tomato plants, I have marigolds. Marigolds are probably one of the best companion plants to grow your tomatoes. They are great at repelling insects, any type of pests. They're very easy to grow, and it's one of those plants where you just buy once or grow once and you can have marigolds for the whole season and next season because it produces a lot of seeds. You can harvest a seed or just let it drop everywhere, So marigolds are fantastic. Just remember to plant some companion plants, guys. It will protect your tomatoes to grow healthier and bigger. Now let's talk about when to harvest your tomatoes. Now the great thing about tomatoes is that as soon as you see any type of coloration, it means it's already started the ripening process. So it basically started producing ethylene, which is a gas that helps your tomatoes ripen. You can actually harvest them early. So a little hint of oranges, you can go ahead and pluck them off. It can actually ripen in the kitchen, and that way you have to worry about like splitting or overwatering or any type of pests. That's what I always do. Let me give you a quick example real quick. I think I have some that's ready to harvest real quick. Here is a perfect example. You see this one right here? It's not really like dark or anything like that, but you can see there's some coloration. So you can actually just go ahead and harvest it real quick. This right here is the coloration that I like to harvest them at. I can leave in the kitchen for 1 to 2 days and it'll just become a dark red color. And you save all the flavor and all the nutrients. And of course, as the growing season progresses, your plants will get bigger and bigger and bigger. It's gonna need the proper support. So I just use these metal tomato cages that you can find at Home Depot, Lowe's, any of your local stores. And it holds it pretty well. You can see when I first got this plant, it was probably like down to here, but it's already going up and up. So as it gets bigger and bigger, you want to just make sure you push the stems into the middle so that way it gets the proper support. If it gets any bigger, I can probably just tie some bamboo to it so that way it can support the structure. So that way you don't want it bending over and breaking. That can cause some damage to it, and that way you have less yield. You can tell from my tomato plant, it is extremely healthy. I water it probably like once a week. Water deep, guys. Make sure you water deep. Don't water too much. If you water too much, it will cause splitting. That is pretty much it, guys. Hopefully these tomato tips help you grow some successful and really big tomatoes throughout this growing season. Happy gardening, guys.